iPECS 1 Chrome using chat. This video will demonstrate how to use the chat window on iPECS 1. The chat window can be found on the tab in the left of the screen. In the chat section, you can see your recent chat history. This allows you to select from your recent conversations with your colleagues, or groups quickly when you need to. If you want to create a new chat, you can do so by clicking the Create Chat button in the top right of the screen. From here, you can select the contact or group of contacts that you'd like to host a group chat with. Once the chat has started, you can send text, emojis, or attach files through the chat window. To start a call with your group directly from the chat, press the telephone icon. Once the call is accepted, the call timer will start and you'll be able to see which colleagues you're on the call with. You can access the chat window from this call using the chat icon in the top right. When in a call, you can mute yourself, record the call, and finally, use the red telephone icon to hang up.